November 19, 1969. A daring mission unfolds as Apollo 12's Intrepid descends onto the moon's ocean of storms. Astronauts Conrad and Bean, undeterred by lightning strikes during launch, make history as the third and fourth humans to walk on lunar soil. Their pinpoint landing near the Surveyor 3 probe proves NASA's precision, opening doors to targeted exploration. They carry out groundbreaking experiments and even recover parts of the robotic Surveyor, cementing the mission as a scientific triumph. But Apollo 12 is more than data and discoveries. It's a testament to resilience. From lightning-damaged systems to a lost TV feed, nothing stops these pioneers. As Intrepid lifts off, it marks not just a successful mission, but a defining moment in humanity's lunar legacy.